Hi guys, good morning. I want to take my breakfast. Hey, so I bought this okpa. I bought okpa yesterday. The okpa was so good. I wasn't the one that cooked it. If I have okpa flour, I can make this, but I don't have. So I bought it from someone. So I want to eat it. I want to use it to. I want to use it for breakfast because it's already morning. Almost like it's afternoon, sha. So I'm just taking my breakfast. The okpa with tea. That's what I'm having this month. Today is presidential election in this country, so we are indoor. We are not going anywhere, and this is not my thing. Like I'm not an indoor person. I like going out. This my leg, not the rest. But today we have to stay at home in case of a fight or anything, so you'll be safe. Though home is not that safe, but staying at home is better than going outside. So today is election, presidential election. Though they don't call it president, they call it prime minister. So we are staying at home today. Sit at home, mama. So let's eat breakfast. Okpa. I love okpa so much. Like after yam, it's okpa. Then followed by soup because I'm not a swallow person. Don't like swallow them. I can stay a month without taking swallow. Wow, better food. So I wanted to make a street video. I might be adding it to this video. But the question I want to ask, let me first of all ask you people. Reply me on the comment section. Let me know your opinion on what you will do. Okay, I have two questions. Wait. So I have two questions to ask. But first of all, let me ask my YouTube fans before going out to the street to ask. Number one question is, you are sick, like sick, not just sick. Sick, what don't enter your body, and you are in dire need of blood. In dire need of blood. Emphasis on dire need. And the only person available to do blood transfusion for you is HIV positive. Are you going to take it or you rather die? You don't understand this question. Let me ask it again. You are in dire need of blood because you are sick, like sick, and you need blood transfusion. And the only person available to give you blood is HIV positive. Are you going to take the blood or you rather die? This question, just answer me. Let me know if your answer is same with mine. Then the second question is, if I'm to ask this to a woman, I will ask, What can you do for your husband that you have never done for any man? Material things aside. Material things aside. What else can you do for your husband that you've never done for another man? Then if you're a man, material things aside, what can you do for your wife that you've never done for another woman? As a show of love, what can you do for your wife that you have never done for another woman? I don't want material things. I don't want you to be saying you buy car for her, you do this for her. No, material things aside. I'll be waiting for your answers. So let's continue eating our food. I'm waiting for your answers. Vanilla.
What?
You want to talk?
No.
Go see.
What? Me? What? No, Papa.
You want? You want? Take. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Close my door for me. Bye bye. This food is giving.
No, Papa. Mommy, not. Look, what else is Tata?
Not that time. It's okpa. Okpa.
Papa.
Okpa. So for this, I don't want this video to be too long. I'll be ending this video here so I can be able to add the other people that I will ask this question. Like 1 or 2 person. It's either 1 or 2. Anybody I see, I'll just ask. I'll add it to this video. Let's hear what they will say. So see you on my next clip. Bye.
Many hours later.
Today is election. No, we're outside chilling. They say make we stay inside though, no out, no going out. Can we go up about that street again? Let's. So today is presidential election in Pakistan. Pakistan's in that bad.
Yes.
So we are just inside. No going out today. I'm walking down the street to see what is going on. Nothing's happening here.
Everywhere.
If you want to go and cast your vote, you have to go outside. That's our shop side.
For being a foreigner,
Yeah,
we are not
because
entitled to.
we are not entitled to vote.
Yes.
So we are indoor today. In case of fight,
Everywhere is very
everywhere is that dry. Like nobody is outside. Hey. So we are just walking down the street. Walking down the street, they say we should stay indoor in case of fight. So also Chubaki, man in no begging.
Yes.
Also should be man in no begging. I beg and down age. Stop shouting. I don't get me there. Yeah. We are going to our neighbor's house, very close to us. So we are just walking down the street. Let's go and see what is happening. Some people are outside playing. The kids are outside playing. So let's be going. Let's be going. As you can see, everywhere is dry. Everywhere is dry.
Over there.
The field over there, people are there playing. If you're not up to 18 years old, you cannot vote. You're still a baby in the womb. Yeah, I'm going to our neighbor's house. That that guy we went to pick his wife. I posted the video. So I'm going to their house. Let me know. Let's know if we can take something from there. You know, Nigerian stuff. Anything you can lay a hand on. You just take it and go. Yeah, so that is the update. Nothing much is happening. This is part of exercise, Sha. We are exercising our legs. But I'm no so.
Shift the other side.
Oh, yeah, na gabi akpọkwa ya na phone. Aya na aga. So we back at the moon yourself. Okobatago. So guys, we are here. The open gate for us. We are going upstairs. Let's go and see our wife. We are going upstairs. Hey, Chimeze. Chimeze, we go match. Why is everywhere noise? This early morning. When are they to vote? Why is everywhere noisy? Hi. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to do it. Man, Jesus. He's a bullam. Nah, law. Delicious. Hi guys, we are done from there. We left our house by 1 and this is almost 5. So we are heading home. Spent up to 4 hours in somebody's house. I even helped her to cook. Yeah, I show you guys. We cooked the faku and white rice. Maybe they go house, I beg.
But the thing is delicious, so I swear. I just have a little bit taste of it. Too delicious.
So let's head home. Let's call it a day because Shejela. It's almost 5. I think the election is over, Sha. I don't know if they're calling the results today. I don't know.
They should call the result today because they even took away our network, everything.
Nice.
Network is not working. As you can see now, we cannot even connect with anything. Even Wi-Fi is not working. There is no electricity because of this election.
Because of election.
So a lot of things. We are passing through a lot.
We are going through a lot.
We are going through a lot now.
So guys, we are almost home. Let's call it a day. If you watch up to this point, don't forget to subscribe this video a massive thumbs up.
Please, as you watch,
share and like.
Subscribe. Please try to subscribe and drop your comments as well.
Yeah, drop your comments. See you on our next video. Bye. Everybody say bye. Bye.